top stories. Fadnavis take oath as Maharashtra's Chief Minister. President's rule revoked in Maharashtra. And Donor Minister Jitendra Singh to open destination NOV festival in Varanasi. Hello and welcome to Times of Manipur News. You're watching News Today. I'm JESSIA and I'm giving you the news in details. In Maharashtra, the month-long political impasse ended dramatically with Devendra Fadnavis returning as the Chief Minister again backed by the Sharad Pawar-led NCP. A media report said NCP leader Ajit Pawar was sworn in as the Deputy Chief Minister at Raj Bhavan. Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari administered the oath to the two in the morning ceremony where only official media was present. Chief Minister Fadnavis said that Maharashtra needed a stable government, not a khichdi government. People had given us a clear mandate, but Shiv Sena tried to ally with other parties after results, after which President's rule was imposed, he added. Ajit Pawar, after taking oath as the Deputy Chief Minister, said that from result day on October 24, no party was able to form the government. Maharashtra was facing many problems, including farmers' issue. The surprise swearing in is being described as a political masterstroke of Sharad Pawar, who on Thursday night had said there was a consensus among the NCP, Congress and Shiv Sena that Uddhav Thackeray should lead the new government. Meanwhile, the BJP-NCP government took charge in Maharashtra today after the President's rule, imposed in the state about a fortnight ago, was revoked at 5:47 a.m. According to sources, President Ramnath Kovind signed the proclamation for revocation of the central rule this morning. The Gazette notification to this effect was issued by Union Home Secretary Ajay Kumar Bhalla at 5:47 a.m. Maharashtra plunged into a political crisis when no party or alliance could form a government even 18 days after the declaration of the assembly poll result, following which the present rule was imposed in the state on November 12. The third edition of 4-day Destination Northeast Festival in Varanasi will be opened by Donor Minister Jitendra Singh later today. A report said that Destination Northeast Festival, which will begin in Temple Town of Uttar Pradesh, will exhibit the striking similarities between the Ganga and Brahmaputra basins in terms of ancient culture, diverse handlooms and silk products, spiritual heritage and vibrant tourist hubs. The Destination Northeast Festival was previously held in Delhi and Chandigarh. All 8 states will be present at the event along with their handicrafts, handloom, organic products and cultural troupes. The idea of organizing such event is to bring rest of India closer to Northeast and to have experience of the rich culture of the region. That development of Northeast is on the priority of government since Prime Minister Narendra Modi took charge. Shillong Chamber Choir, Papan, Saurabi De Burma, Borkung Harangkwal, Rekha Bardwaj are some of the leading voices who are likely to be showcased there. Given the importance of NE vis-a-vis, organic products, food processing, tourism, water development, seminars will be held every morning on these subjects with participation of experts in the respective fields. Now we have a short commercial break. Coming up next, we have news on Amju Manipur University jointly hosts NEC Meet.
Young what?
Soktabana loidi.
Wabdo koknaba rebalance.
Soktabadu koknaba rebalance. Rebalance na haksang salt amadi electrolytes singi awatpa mekhatuna adongi haksangbu tagat tikna thamba ngamali. Rebalance habadi electrolytes amadi energy.
SS Enterprises ta miyam gidamak leizare makhal makha kyagi sound, lights, teas amadi ten house ki polamsing makhal khuding makki light amadi luhong khongdong bagi polamsing gi damak 10% discount pijari ako pamarol gi damak contact tobiu SS Enterprises Kiamgai Khoirom Laikai near Youth Social Club. Contact number 8837218002.
Welcome back after the break. All Manipur Working Journalists Union AMJU and Mass Communication Department jointly hosted a two-day meeting of National Executive Committee NEC at Manipur University Imphal today. The meet was organized under the aegis of Indian Journalists Union IJU, Manipur Information and Public Relations Minister TH Biswajit Singh, AMJU President Bijoy Kakching Tabam, and representatives of IJU attended the meet. Manipur has been conferred two Best Practice Awards in the 6th National Summit of Good and Replicable Practices and Innovations in Public Healthcare System in India, organized by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India at Mahatma Mandir, Gandhinagar, Gujarat from November 16 to 18. The state got the recognition in cervical cancer screening by via method and home-based palliative care service at health and wellness centers. Board of Secondary Education Manipur BOSM is all set to publish textbooks for class 1 to 10 for the new academic session 2019-20. Chairman of BOSM, TH Kiran Kumar, said that the step for publication of textbook has been initiated under the strict supervision of Education Minister TH Radheshyam, and that efforts are on so that students can avail the books on time. He also announced that the textbooks will be distributed free of cost to all government schools in the state under Department of Education S. Life imprisonment sentence given by a trial court to NSCN-IM militant Hobson Ningson has been upheld by the Delhi High Court. According to media reports, Hobson Ningson was sentenced for life for abducting and murdering 3 government officials in Manipur in the year 2009. It may be recalled that Ningson and his men abducted sub-divisional officer of Kasom Kulen, Thingnam Kisan Singh in Ukhrul district in Manipur and 5 others on February 13, 2009. On February 17 of the same year, bodies of Kisan Singh, Y. Token Singh and A. Rajan Sharma were recovered from the banks of the Tupau Kuki River. Ningson and self-styled lieutenant of the outfit NSCN-IM was arrested on May 25, 2009 after investigation. Former Manipur Chief Minister Okram Bobi today returned to Imphal. Talking to media at Bir Tikendrajit International Airport, Bobi expressed discontentment over not getting appointment with the Prime Minister and Home Minister in New Delhi. Bobi, who is the leader of Congress Legislature Party CLP, was leading a CLP delegation in the national capital to meet central leaders over Indo-Naga talks. Bobi said that most of the regional parties and Congress President Sonia Gandhi gave positive response to the demand by CLP.
North East की particularly Manipur की voice है नोई अपिक पे state नोई वो कई तो उन्हें गया कोई तो नम्फू द तौर लोए हाईवे वखल मा कोई द फिल तो मोई थबक सिन बना कहनो तो हम दबे याई को ngam daba matam ni spare to ngam daba ya adur ga su akhoi tang tarahum doi di satpani yes tang tarahum doi tra mari adudi ma mapanda out of country BRICS ki meeting chatkre adu halak padagina akhoi ngarang phoba adum ngai je bani atai tai regional party sing di ayam bana akhoi da fully cooperate tawuni mateng pangani.
Commenting on the CBI raid at his residence in connection with a grave case yesterday, Bobi said that case must be thoroughly investigated and the culprits must be booked. He further asserted that those who are involved in misuse of public funds must get punishment. Bobi assured to extend full cooperation in the investigation.
Government singnabase thoroughly investigation tawradi adudaida kari asoiba kari aranba kari torami ai ishamak personally involved tawra haibase adu even a single pie agi paisa su nate adu government gi paisa haibasidi leitaba laiba praja gi paisa neba ꯃꯗꯨꯗꯩꯗ ꯂꯥꯟꯅ ꯁꯤꯟꯅꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯗ ꯏꯟꯚꯣꯜꯕ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯂꯦꯝꯅ ꯊꯥꯔꯣꯏꯗꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯕꯨꯛ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯕꯨ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯄꯩꯁꯥ ꯃꯥꯡꯍꯟꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯦꯅꯤ ꯇꯥꯏꯞ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯃꯤꯁꯌꯨꯖ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯐꯟ ꯑꯣꯔ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯅ ꯄꯩꯁꯥ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯖꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯔ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯃꯗ ꯏꯟꯚꯣꯜꯕ ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯐꯦꯃꯤꯂꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯑꯃ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯕꯤꯐꯤꯇꯤꯡ ꯄꯅꯤꯁꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯒꯤꯗꯤ most welcome haitare. I will fully cooperate.
Foreign delegates who are participating in the upcoming Manipur Sangai Festival 2019 have appealed to the people of Manipur to cooperate with their presence and show love and affection as did in the past editions of the annual tourism festival. They also expressed desire to attend the festival every year. The delegates further said that sudden boycott of the mega event might cause inconveniences to them since they have made every arrangement to join the festival before 6 to 7 months.
Once I know got Sangai Festival, I feel excited and I'm prepared everything nicely to attend this exhibition. I didn't come here to against Manipur people by attending the store at Lamboy Kong Nang Kong. But now I feel worried about the situation here. I hope everything will go fine because I want to come here again and again.
I used to see the best hospitality in Manipur, and I know the Manipuri people is so kind. So I request them to be the same with us as last year, and we are not against the people. We just come to participate in the festival. So we need them to cooperate with us, and it's a pleasure for us to come to Sangai Festival, and we hope to come again next year.
I have been to participate in Manipur Sangai Festival for the last many years. I come only Manipur because of I like many things in Manipur. I love Manipur people.
Helping Hands for People Manipur organized a blood donation camp for A-positive blood groups at RIMS Lamphel today. The camp was held after the blood banks in the state, especially at the premier hospital RIMS, have run out of A-positive blood. President of Helping Hands for People, Khoirom Loyalakpa, said that the blood donation camp was organized to sort out the problem of A-positive blood shortages. Around 40 people donated blood during the camp.
Helping Hands for People Manipur da RIMS ki authority na I mating si A positive si mating pangbiu harak padagi aikoina A positive si especially nga si blood donation kemam tawraga miya kai humbuji pina na bu honarak pani RIMS ka Helping Hands for People Manipur ga lainaba mari si aduki mating mari lainare aduna RIMS ki award pa aduga JNIMS ki award pa maru in hospital ani si award pa mayam sida aikoina mating khara pang si aduga I gi mathau tarak pa award pa sing si aikoi pang ba yaba miyam gi nabuta mating pang si aduga katho si na ngasi gi game se sumaina tawjabani.
Once again, it's time for a short break. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.
Iramdam da fangba polam singna iramdam asimakta da sajaba kangla gi polam sing fangbiragani luhong panthana lakpada miyam gi damak leizare leima kabok loinana luhong bagi yakhanaba discount su izari akupa marol gi damak contact obiu 8131877217 natraga 9612056941
kangla kabok chabiu yamna hawbani
kangla leima kabok.
Welcome back after the break. Lamjing Educated Welfare Association Liwa, Lamjing under Thobal District along with Local Youth Welfare Association Laiwa today arrested a drug user along with heroin during a drive at Sangayumpam, Nungpo Mamang Laikai. The man has been identified as Sagol Sem Rajkumar of Samaram Mayai Laikai. This was informed in a press release from Liwa. The press release also said that the drug user was later handed over to the family after giving proper advice. Deaths related to measles, mostly among small children, have more than tripled to 20 in the past week on the Pacific island of Samoa, 8 days after declaring a state of emergency over the outbreak. According to sources, the island state of just 2 lakh, located south of the equator and halfway between Hawaii and New Zealand, declared a measles epidemic late in the October after the first deaths. The government has identified 1,644 suspected cases of measles, more than doubling over the past week, with deaths rising to 20 from 6. Staff of UN agency UNICEF have delivered 110,500 doses of measles containing vaccines this week as they fan out across Samoa to boost its mandatory immunization effort. Now we have the sports news. Novak Djokovic and Rafael Nadal both played singles and double yesterday, but only the Spaniard was able to lead his team into the last 4 at the Davis Cup finals. According to media reports, Nadal guided Spain to a 2-1 comeback victory over Argentina, while Djokovic could not prevent Serbia from being eliminated after a 2-1 loss to Russia. Spain will make its second straight semi-finals appearance after Nadal and Marcel Granollers defeated Maximo Gonzalez and Leonardo Mayer 6-4, 4-6, 6-3 in the decisive double match, the Caja Mágica Center Court in Madrid, Spain. Now we have the local newspaper headlines.
The Sangay Express, Manipur Development Society scam. Residences of Ibobi, Ningtem raided. Supreme Court backs High Court's order to quash civil service exams. CLP protest at Delhi on Naga issue. Alert protests continue unabated. Don't know where Meghan is, said State Police to Manipur Human Rights Commission. The Morning Bell. Central Bureau of Investigation raids register case against ex-Chief Minister Ibobi. 5 others in rupees 332 crore Manipur Development Society scam. Ibobi assures full support to any agency investigating the case. Congress MLA states Citizenship Amendment Bill protests at Jantar Mantar. Supreme Court orders Manipur to conduct civil service exam afresh. 2 CRPF men injured in blast near Assembly Complex, Chief Minister condemns. Palliative care service on the rise in Manipur. Imphal Free Press. Central Bureau of Investigation raids residences of former Chief Minister Ibobi, 3 former Chief Secretary, Manipur Development Society top brass. Supreme Court upholds Manipur High Court decision on MPSC exam. Manipur police clueless on Meghan's whereabouts. Local clubs around Sangay Fest meant venue to support Kokomi's boycott. Stirred to continue until demands are met, says Federation of Government College Teachers Association. Manipur Mail. Central Bureau of Investigation raids former Chief Minister O. Ibobi's residence. Board of Secondary Education Manipur gears up with printing of textbooks. 13th Manipur Polo International 2019. England decimates United States of America. The People's Chronicle. Rupees 11 lakh all currency seized in Central Bureau of Investigation raids at Ibobi's residences. Political vendetta behind Central Bureau of Investigation raids, says Manipur Congress. Congress MLA states protest, petition, Prime Minister and Home Minister.
Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Fadnavis take oath as Maharashtra's Chief Minister. President's rule revoked in Maharashtra. And Donor Minister Jitendra Singh to open Destination NE Festival in Varanasi. That's all we have in this bulletin. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.